Let me see you smile. Give me 5,200 feet of happiness. Let me see you smile. Give me 5,080 feet of happiness. Are you living? Are you just surviving? Are you giving? Are you just jiving? Let me see love. Living on valued energy. I got life, 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 life. Love is for happiness. I got life, love is full of fact.
Oh, peace, love, and light to you. Checking in the Luwatobi clan on the medicine drum tonight. You know, everybody is just freestyling, focusing on the love, the healing, and the synergy within the family. You know, we building collectively and cohesively. We got to make sure we stay on top of these family rituals. We got the Ayaba. Let's see what she doing, y'all. Let's check in.